This is it. This is actually my favorite green juice. So guys, it's day 70. I literally just have 20 days to go to finish this challenge. I would say this journey, but I mean I'll continue after the 90 days. But this challenge, it's 70 days. So this morning I feel for a little something different. I'll just be doing some cucumber juice with coconut water and ginger. So here I have it, and it's now time for me to blend. So this is it. This is actually my favorite green juice though. Time to start my morning. So it is the end of day 70 basically. I realized today I'm not really hungry. I just drink water. I'm more of thirsty. So since I had the cucumber juice this morning, I just had water throughout the day. It was a really hot day, and now I am ending it with a mango. This is just what I feel for. I mean, if later I feel like I want anything, I won't eat anything heavy, I might just have some coconut water. So I forgot I had this little snack in the fridge. So it's some leftover banana and ice cream that I made. Basically frozen banana, coconut milk, cinnamon. It's day 71. Starting my morning with some pineapples. It actually is sweet. So this is breakfast. So it's basically one whole pineapple. The goal is to eat more so you can feel full. So I received this goodie bag this morning. In it I have mangoes. I have papaya. Not a lover for papaya, but I'll eat it. They're not ripe. So, I'm excited. I am not a person who fuss. And for those who know me, you can just give me fruits and I'll be okay. For lunch, I am just going to have some jackfruit. Yeah. It's a hectic day at work, but I have to stop and fuel up. I like when my jackfruit pegs are sturdy like this. I don't like when they're soft. Crunchy and nice.